everyone, you're watching Tic-Tac-Toy, and today we are getting a sneak peek inside the fabulous glitter glider palace where the MagiClip princesses are going to be headed shortly. As the royal princesses enter in their magical carriage, they're going to need your help to transform from their ordinary dress into their fancy ball gown so that they can dance at the ball. So stay tuned, Tic-Tac-Toy fans, because we're going to need your help getting these lovely princesses to their fabulous ball at the Glitter Glider Palace. Tic-Tac-Toy! All of our Disney princess dresses are waiting inside the Glitter Glider mansion. We just need the princesses to come and claim them. Let's see which princess will be the first to arrive at the palace. Here comes the carriage, and it looks like it's Princess Rapunzel. She's eager to attend the ball, but we need to find her proper ball gown. Can you spot Rapunzel's ball gown in the Glitter Glider Palace? Let me know when you see it. It's gotta be here somewhere. Where is it? Oh, there's Rapunzel's ball gown. Let's put Rapunzel inside of her dressing room and we'll change her into her beautiful purple ball gown. Boy, she's going to look lovely in this sparkly dress, and I can't wait to see her dance on the dance floor in it. There you go, Rapunzel. You're ready to go. We'll hang her original dress up on the clip, just like so. And then we'll take Rapunzel up to the top of the palace so that she can glide on down to the ballroom floor. Here you go, Rapunzel. Let's glide on down. You're halfway there. Keep going. Woo! Rapunzel's made it, but now she's the only one on the dance floor. So let's see which princess arrives next. Which princess is rolling up now? That looks like Anna. She looks lovely in her dress, but I think she'd be even more comfortable in her beautiful ball gown. So let's head over here to the Glitter Glider Palace and see if we can find Anna's dress. Let me know if you spot it. Where is Anna's dress? Do you see it yet? Oh, was that it? Let's take a better look. I think it is. And now that Anna's in her dressing room, let's go ahead and change her into her beautiful ball gown. We'll put her old dress back on the hook. There we go. And now we'll put Anna inside of her beautiful glittery blue ball gown. And I think she's ready to party. And now it's time for Anna to go up to the balcony and glide down to meet her princess friends. Here you go, Anna. Keep going, Anna. It looks like Anna and Rapunzel have bumped into each other. Now let's watch them dance around the dance floor. Wow, they're having a blast, but I have a feeling another princess will be joining them soon. And sure enough, here comes another princess. Do you know which princess this is? It's one of my favorites. It's Princess Belle. She's got a beautiful dress on, but let's see if we can help her find her ball gown. Let's take a look over here by the Glitter Glider Palace. Let me know when you see Princess Belle's ball gown. I know it has to be here somewhere. Maybe it's all the way down here. Oh, there it is. Princess Belle's ball gown was way back here in the back. Let's get Princess Belle and we'll get her changed. All right, Princess Belle, we'll get out of your beautiful dress and we'll put you in an even more lovely ball gown. Here we go, Princess, and boy, she looks lovely. Let's hang her original dress back on her clothing rack, put it back in her dressing room, and now we'll take Princess Belle to the top of the Glitter Glider Palace. All right, Princess Belle, there you go. It's time for you to go meet your other princess friends. Right this way, Belle. Woo! And down you go some more. And now we have 3 lovely princesses princesses dancing on the dance floor. But I'm pretty sure there's room for more, so let's see who's coming in the carriage now. Here comes the carriage, and it looks like we have Princess Elsa inside. Princess Elsa looks like she's excited to go to the ball, but we need to find the right outfit for her. Let's see who can spot Princess Elsa's dress. Where is it? Oh, that's it right here at the top of the Glitter Glider Palace. Let's put Elsa up top here, and I'll help her get dressed. I'll undo her beautiful gown, and we'll change her clothes so that she is fit for the royal ball. Let's hang her original dress right back up top. And I think Elsa's ready to go greet her public and her princess friends. On you go, Princess Elsa. Keep going. Wow, we have 4 princesses on the dance floor now. But we know there's plenty of room for more. So let's see who's coming in the carriage next. Who can it be? Why, we know that princess anywhere. It's the lovely Cinderella. As lovely as she looks, I know she'd look even better in her royal ball gown. So let's see who can spot Cinderella's ball gown. Oh, I think it's right here. She's got a beautiful blue gown. So let's get her clothes changed and get her dressed inside her blue, glittery, sparkly ball gown. Wow, she looks lovely, doesn't she? I think it's time for this princess to roll right into the party, so let's get her up to the balcony. Okay, Cinderella, let's have you head on down. Here you go. And Cinderella made it before the clock struck midnight. Let's watch our princesses dance. But you know what? I think we have room for one more princess on this dance floor. And here she is right now. It's Her Royal Highness, Princess Aurora. And this lovely princess needs help finding her ball gown too. So let's see who can spot it. Do you remember what room we haven't been to yet? Oh, this one right here. There's Princess Aurora's ball gown. All right, Princess Aurora, let's put you there and we'll get your ball gown down and get your clothes all changed. She has a lovely pink ball gown that's going to be absolutely stunning. Wow. And we hung Aurora's original dress up, and now it's time for her to go glide down to the palace. So let's get her up here. All right, Aurora, down you go. Woo! And wow, we have all 6 princesses on the ballroom dance floor. We've got Aurora, Rapunzel, Elsa, Anna, Cinderella, and Belle. But then wait a minute, why is the carriage strolling up? Who could be inside? Why, it looks like they have some friends here who came to join the ball as well. We've got Mrs. Potts, Belle's friend, Rapunzel's trusty chameleon, Pascal, and Aurora's good friend, the owl. Let's help these friends join the party too. Here they go, Mrs. Potts, Aurora's owl friend, and Pascal. Keep going, little friends. There they go. And now that all the guests have arrived, the dancing can begin. Wow, this is a fabulous princess ball after all. Around and around they go on the dance floor. But before the ball is over, our princesses need to know who should be crowned Princess of the Ball. So take a vote right now and let us know in the comment section below. Should it be Princess Elsa? Princess Cinderella? Princess Belle? Princess Aurora? Or Princess Rapunzel? Let us know what you think below, and thank you so much for watching Tic-Tac-Toy. Be sure and come back next time. Have you subscribed to Tic-Tac-Toy yet? If not, what's holding you back? It's absolutely free. Go ahead and click on that button in the corner of your screen, and then you won't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.